Third or fourth repetition draw with quality equal draw with challenger round number 9 between Grandmaster in Kazakhstan Bibisara Azarbayeva and faces by International Master Carissa Yip in USA. So it means so repetition draw. So what do you think about the study of this challenger of these games in Tata Steel Chess 2026? So let's see of the studies of these games here. White pieces with Bibisara Azabayeva is d4, knight f6 by Yip, c4, e6 East Indian defense, knight f3, and also bishop b4 check with Yip, and also bishop d2 because the Bibisara without defense of bishop d2 without protects of this without kings here, and also pawn a5 with Yip because very strong move, and also a3 without eliminates the bishop, bishop capture d2 with check, queen takes d2, and also pawn b6 with Yip because the pawn b6 with black pawns without idea with light square bishop b7 with the fianchettos, or maybe without upcoming by next playing castling kingside here. And also knight c3 with Bibisara without upcoming by next up castling queenside here, and also bishop b7 without fianchettos attacks with light square, and also pawn e3 with Bibisara, and also knight e4 very jumping up this one very strong move. So it is called by this one with openings with Poco Indian defense, wide Smyslav variation because the jumping of knight e4 without upcoming by threatening the knights or without queens here. So this is a double attacks here. And also Bibisara is knight takes captured, bishop takes, and also bishop d3 because the bishop d3 without light square here without attacks the challenging bishop to bishop or upcoming by next castling queenside or maybe queenside or maybe without chooses of this one with kingside or queenside here. And decided with Yip is bishop takes captured, queen takes, and also pawn d6 here. So it means but not yet ready by playing castling kingside with Carissa Yip here because this is a first move of this one with d6 here. And also h4 very strong move, very strong with Bibisara by next of this one with g4 or next without h5 here. So this is a light square. And also knight d7 with Carissa Yip here, and also h5 very strong move by next of this g4. So this is a g4 but not yet ready by castling queenside or maybe choose by kingside here. So it means so not yet of this castle. And also pawn h6 without no more by white pieces with h6. So this is a without shield of this one protects of this one with black pawns. And also rook h3. So this is a not interesting of this book line, so novelty by Bibisara, sorry. So it means novelty with Bibisara. So this is a old main lines with first of this one with rook g1, second is casting queenside, third is queen e2. So this is a three types of this old main lines with database here. So it means so fourth is rook h3 novelty with Bibisara. I'm sorry I got wrong with names with Yip. I thought Bibisara have these names here. So it means rook h3 is a novelty here. And also a4 very harassment with black pawns with Yip. So it means cannot move up this pawn a4. So it means without pawn a4 here. So it means without push by this one with pass pawn criminals here. So this is a bad pawns here. And also knight d2 with Bibisara here, and also rook a5 very strong with Yip, and also knight e4, and also knight f6 without challenge with knight to knights, ignorance with knight c3 Bibisara. So it means so I will explain for example. So why don't we continue knight capture? If your knight takes f6 check and also captured with knights, because this is a ugliness damage by pawn structure. So this is a examples. Without idea with Bibisara ignorance knight c3 here, and decided by simplified Carissa Yip is castling kingside. So castling kingside with Yip, castling queenside with Bibisara, and also pawn d5 without attacks the pawns, and also property active king b1 with Bibisara, and also queen a8 with Yip, and also g4. So without defense of this h5, so this is a protects of this development. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine. So the best move is pawn to f3. So pawn f3 is a right move of this computer engine. So this is a goods for whites here. So it means, so back there, this one with Bibisara is g4 without bad move, and Excelente is captured this pawn without attacks the queens. Queen takes pawn without idea, without eliminates with disturbance with pawns, without threatening the pawns here. And also another Excelente with Yip is knight e4 without challenge full with knight to knights, without idea, without threatening the knights, or maybe without threats the pawns. So it means, so this is a double attacks with rooks. So it means double rook here. So very dangerous from whites. And also with Bibisara is knight captured, queen takes captured with check, and also king a1 with Bibisara, and also queen takes g4 with Yip here. So it means without idea, without double attacks with rooks here. So it means double attacks the rooks, or maybe without double with rooks here. So double attacks here. And also rook dh1 battery with Bibisara, and also queen f5 without attacks with f2 pawns here, and also f4, another bad move from Bibisara. So the best move is f3 pawns here. So f3 is a good precise here. So according this one with computer, so this is a challenge full from disadvantage from whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is f4 with Bibisara, and also c5 with Yip attacks the pawns. Rook g3. Okay, rook g3 here, or without idea here. So I don't know what's the rook g3 with Bibisara. So it means rook g3. And also king h8. Why? Because this is a rook without more controls, without attacks with pawns, with sacrifice here. Without idea with Yip is king h8, so it means property active. And also captured, queen takes without challenge full with queen to queen, ignorance, queen e2. So for example, so in accept, sir, why don't we queen to queen challenge full? Queen takes c5 here, and also rook captured queen. So rook captured queen here, and also king a2. So king a2, so it means because king a2, so it means without rook here. If you rook captured, so it means without idea battery. So it means without upcoming with check here. So this is a good examples here. Okay, so back there, this one with ignores Bibisara is queen e2. So queen e2 with Bibisara, and also rook a7 with Yip here, and also battery rook hg1. So it means without battery, without idea, without attacks the pawns here, without threatening the pawns, without controls with eating the pawns. And also f6 with Yip here, and also rook g6 without more controls with a strong move, so does not like of this computer engine with Bibisara. So the best move there, this one is queen to g2 triple battery. Without idea, with rooks, without threatening the pawns here. I don't know what to stretch the pawns, so it means threatening the pawns here. So very dangerous from blacks. So this is a goods for whites. So back there, this one with Bibisara is rook g6 here, and also rook d8. So cannot see of this the mismove Yip here. So the best move this one is rook f7 here. So rook f7, so it means, so this is a controls with defense of this 7th rank here. So this is a good slightly advantage for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one with Yip here is rook to d8 here, and also movement with Bibisara is queen g4 triple battery. So it means without idea, with first rook without attacks the pawns here, and also without pawn f5 here, without threatening the queen. So this is a given bad move, so does not like of this computer with Yip here. So the best move this one is queen to e7, easy defense of this one with pawns here. So according this one, so this is a goods for blacks here. So this is a more controls. So back there, this one is f5 with the threats the queens here, and also Excelente is queen h4, defends the pawns with Bibisara, and also queen e7 challenge full with queen to queen, ignorance again with Bibisara, and also queen e8, and also queen g2 with a triple battery, or maybe without idea with, I thought rook captured pawn, so it means so do not rook captured. If you rook captured pawn, so it means queen captured pawns here. So it means, oh sorry, I got ideas here. I just mouse sleep here. So it means without queen g2 and also rook a d7 without battery, so another bad move with yip here. So it means that the best move this one is queen to d7 here is a right move here. So this is a goods for blacks here. Okay, so back to this one with yip is battery, rook a d7 here, and also queen c2, so a worst move with Bibisara here. So the best one's computer this one is rook captured pawn g7 here. So rook takes g7. So if you rook d1 with check here, and also without king a2. So if you rook takes accepted, and also queen captured with rooks here. So this is a goods for whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is with Bibisara is queen c2 here without symbolized keys, and good move is pawn b5 and also queen c3. So this is a bad move with Bibisara here. So the best move this one is king to b1 properly active. So king b1. Okay. So back there, this one is queen c3 with Bibisara and also rook d1 check. So this is a symbolized worst move with yip. So the best move is this one is pawn to e5 here. So pawn e5 is a more controls here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is rook d1 check with yip and also rook takes accepted. Rook takes d1 check and also king a2 and also queen d7 and also good move queen e5 with Bibisara and also queen d5 check challengeful with queen to queen in accept with Bibisara queen takes, pawn takes, and also rook b5. So this is a many bad move of Bibisara, so does not like of this computer engine. So the best move is rook to d6 here. Okay, rook d6 is a good precise here with whites. So this is a good slightly better for whites. So back there, this one is rook b6 with Bibisara and good move strong d4 sacrifice. So I thought d4 because the pawn with the defense the rooks. And also captured another bad move with Bibisara. So many are again with bad move. So another bad move again. So the best move is rook d6 again. What happened with Bibisara? So this is a goods for whites here. So Bibisara forgot her miss best move here. So it means back there, this one is captured with Bibisara. Rook captured attacks the pawns and also rook takes captured. Rook takes. So this is a 3 connected pass pawn by same of this one with 3 connected pass pawn. And also king b1 with Bibisara and also g5. So very strong move here with a good controls with Carissa Yip and Empasat captured with Bibisara and also king g7 good move without attacks the pawns and also king c2 with Bibisara, king captured pawn. So this is a one piece down. So 2 connected pass pawn with Bibisara versus 3 connected pass pawn with Yip here. And also king d2 with Bibisara and also rook e4 and also b3 without attacks the pawns and h5. So this is a mark with symbolized bad move. So Carissa Yip so does not like. So the best move is continue a takes captured b3 here. So if you rook capture with pawns here and also with continue h5 here. So later upon h5, so first is a captured. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one is h5 with Yip here and good precise with Bibisara captured with damageful with Agnes pawn structure with that idea with the promotes with a8 queen here and also h4 almost by promotes with with h1 queen with black pawns with Carissa Yip, and also pawn a5 almost there with promotes, and also king g5, and also good precise excelente, so it means a6. So this is a good move here, and also rook a4. Oh no, with Carissa Yip with attacks with double attacks with two connected pass pawn. Oh no, what happened? So it means a very empty shot with Bibi Sara. So I thought rook a4 with Carissa Yip here, and also without rook b6 without defense top pawn. So this is a many bad move of this computer engine. So it means, so these are the defense. It's very bad move here. So the best move this one is king to e2 here, properly active. So king e2 is a good precise here. So this is a goods for whites. So it means, so rook b6 defense the pawns here, and also h3 good precise with Carissa Yip. So almost by h1 queen without upcoming by promotes with queens here, and also king a2 good precise. So look at this king a2, so good precise here, and also h2. Oh my god, what happened with Carissa Yip? So many worst move of this computer. So it means, so the accuracy best is rook captured. So it means rook captured a6 here. So rook captured a6 is a sacrifice here. So sacrifice with rook takes a6. So it means, so movement of this one with rook b1. So rook b1 is a good precise here. So this is a goods for slightly betters for whites and blacks. So back there, this one is h2 without promotes with queens, and also rook b1 good move without no more with promotes with h1 queen, because this is a defense of this protect shield of this rook here, and also king g4 with Carissa Yip, and excelente is king f2 almost by this one with more controls with move with king to g2 without attacks the pawns here, almost by this one with properly active. Rook captured pawns, and also king g2 almost there, another third good move with Bibi Sara without attacks the pawns here, and also rook a2 check, and also king h1 almost by continuations here, and also f4. Oh my god, Carissa Yip. So almost that push or maybe promotes of this one with queens, and also rook b7 without upcoming by without rook g7 here with check here, and also f3 almost by promotes here, and also rook g7 check, king h3, and also rook h7 check good move, king g3, rook g7 check, king f2, and also pawn a7 promotes upcoming by promotes with queens here, and also rook a6 with Carissa Yip, and also rook f7, rook a1 check, and also king capture. So it means same of this one with one connected pass pawn here, and also rook a6 without upcoming by this one with Yip. So it means rook h6 with check here without check the kings here, and also king h3 with Bibi Sara, king a2, and also rook e7 check. So it means almost by king f1 without upcoming with repetition draw. So it means equal draw, and also rook b7, f2 almost that promotes with queens with Carissa Yip, rook b1 check, and also king e2, rook b2 check, king e3, rook b3 check, king e2, rook b2 check, king e1, rook b1 good move, and king e2. So almost by third or fourth repetition draw. So this is a draw from round number 9. So the score with accuracy with Bibi Sara 19 points, and so it means 19.6. So the winner Carissa Yip. So I will next up this one with round number 10 with masters between Yildiz Ekdogmus from Turkey versus the world champ Gukeshti. So I'll analyze of this soon. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark17, aka IconMark17. Have a good day, and don't forget by notification below bells to subscribe my YouTube channel Mark17 in this English only, and Mark17 part 2 with Tagalog and Cebuanos. And keep updates of this next chess updates. So I will rest up again. Well, bye bye.